This is day 3. Day 4, I guess, or day 3 with no loads. But as you guys can see, it's raining really, really, really bad. Really, really bad. So I'm just gonna park somewhere. I'm just gonna stop at Love for now.
Head northeast toward John Davis Road. Merge onto John Davis Road, then take the I-35E North ramp.
Can't even see you.
Turn at the first right onto Dale Evans
Take the
Drive.
I-35E North ramp.
So I'm gonna park here somewhere. Actually, I might go to the McDonald's because I wanna eat something instead of Love. I'm gonna go to the McDonald's.
Turn right onto the I-35E North ramp. Head southeast on Texas 34 North toward Kinfolks Lane. Turn right onto the I-35E North.
Turn around
Head
when
northeast
possible.
on Kinfolks Lane.
Turn at the first left
Continue on
onto Dale
Kinfolks
Evans
Lane for
Drive.
1 mile.
They actually have
Turn around when possible.
that McDonald's actually have parking for trucks.
Turn around when possible.
Oh no. They do have parking for trucks.
Head northwest toward Riddle Road.
Turn at the first right onto Kinfick Lane.
I'm just gonna go here and park over there, I guess. I'll park here.
Turn at the first right onto Kinfick Lane.
I'm gonna back up here.
Turn at the first left.
Turn left onto Riddle Road, then turn right onto the Head south toward Kinfolks Lane.
Head north toward Riddle Road. Head southeast toward Kinfolks Lane.
Okay. I think I'm good here. But as you guys can see, it's raining really, really bad, yo. Raining really, really bad. And I still haven't found a load yet. I don't know, but I gotta find something, yo. I have to find something. Because, shoot, I've been spending too much. I've been staying here for too long. It's been like 3 days now. 3? Like probably Friday. Yeah, today is my 4th day. So, yeah. I really gotta figure it out, man. Even if I get a low ball loads going somewhere at this point, you know. Probably gonna get me some fries and something to drink at McDonald's. Alright guys, as you guys can see, it's dark. It's dark and then it's raining a little bit. Okay, raining a little bit. Now, the more I'm getting to it, the more I'm driving to it, the more the rain the more it's raining harder. It's not hard, but
Speed limit reduced.
kind of what I'm saying, right? So, and the wind, it's really windy. gonna be bad in front. And of course it's raining hard. And so freaking windy, man. So windy. I have to drive really slow. Oh Lord, have mercy. Lord have mercy. It's really windy, yo. That thing is flashing. Most of the time when it's flashing, it's something serious. Amber alert. Oh, it's an amber alert. Now we get a little traffic.
In half a mile, take exit 418B on the right, onto I-20 towards Shreveport.
The quarter mile, take exit 418B for I-20 east toward Shreveport. Take exit 418B.
Onto I-20.
Continue on I-20 east for 12 miles.
know that it's slippery here. Slippery out here. Now we're in Dallas and shit. I've been wanting to come to Dallas, but man, fuck Texas, man. Fuck Texas. F that crap, man, cause I had a bad experience with Texas, man. I don't like it. That shit. Dumbass. Are you guys seeing that shit? That's the exit, man. His dumbass see me asking to enter and he won't let me enter and trying to go like honking me. Like stupid. What's wrong with y'all? That's a long freaking line, man. I hope I'm in the right land. Shit. That guy trying to do the same thing I did. Oh shit! That is crazy, man. Oh my God. Yeah, it's really bad weather, yo. Bad weather, bad weather. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, but we're not moving at all. We're barely moving. Now it's getting worse and worse, y'all. It's getting worse and worse. Worse and worse.
For 600 feet, keep right. Follow signs for I-30 east. Keep right.
Oh my God.
Continue for 1 mile.
bad weather here. Ah, there you go again.
A quarter mile, merge onto I-30 East. Continue on I-30 East for 308 miles.
How the front look, I know that shit not gonna be sweet. You see how dark it is? Yeah, I know I'm gonna drive through something that's not gonna be sweet. So we're gonna pray, man, everything goes well. Everything's gonna go well. God got me. But yeah, especially down there, it's crazy. We see how it goes when we get to it.